Welcome to Artistic Documentation. I hope you will stay with us for Visualize Whole Work. Designing brand templates for packaging, social media, and web requires a strategic and cohesive approach that ensures brand consistency, enhances visual recognition, and engages customers across all platforms. And this step-by-step process begins with defining your brand identity, which includes clarifying your brand's mission, vision, values, target audience, and personality, as these foundational elements inform the tone, style, and messaging of all template designs. Once the brand identity is solidified, the next step is to develop a comprehensive visual system that outlines your logo variations, color palette, typography styles, iconography, and imagery guidelines. This system should be adaptable yet consistent across formats to maintain a recognizable brand presence. Begin with packaging templates, ensuring they balance form and function while showcasing your brand visually and practically. This includes die line creation, front and back panel layout structures, ingredient lists, barcodes, legal disclaimers, and sustainability notes, all formatted with clear hierarchy and on-brand visuals. Packaging should also consider tactile elements like texture and materials, as well as how the unboxing experience can reflect the brand story. For social media templates, focus on creating editable, scalable designs for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, X, Twitter, Pinterest, and TikTok, using consistent elements like logo placement, typography hierarchy, filters or color overlays, and call-to-action styles. Design a set of flexible layouts for announcements, product launches, testimonials, behind-the-scenes posts, and promotions that content creators or marketing teams can easily customize while staying on brand. Include motion design standards for reels or stories, specifying animation types, transition rules, and logo stings. When designing for the web, create UI/UX templates that include homepage layouts, product pages, blog formats, headers, footers, buttons, navigation menus, banners, and mobile responsiveness rules. Ensure these templates follow accessibility standards and brand-aligned UX principles like intuitive navigation and visual consistency. Use design systems or component libraries that streamline developer collaboration and allow for scalability. Across all template types, create a master brand template library organized by use case and platform, including editable formats and usage instructions so teams can apply the templates efficiently. Document brand voice and messaging rules that guide how copy should be written for packaging labels, social captions, and website content, including taglines, product descriptions, and tone adaptations per platform. Additionally, provide examples and mock-ups that demonstrate correct template usage to prevent misinterpretation. Establish a feedback and approval process for template updates or customization requests, involving brand managers or creative leads to maintain oversight. Finally, ensure the entire system is future-proofed by designing with flexibility, mobile optimization, and evolving customer needs in mind, while maintaining version control and updating templates regularly to reflect branding shifts, seasonal campaigns, or product line changes. By following this structured, unified approach, you can create high-performing, visually aligned brand templates for packaging, social, and web that not only look cohesive but also drive customer engagement, trust, and loyalty at every interaction. Thanks for watching this video till the end.